If there's one thing that defined the modified car culture in the United Kingdom, it was definitely the max power era of the 90s and noughties. It's kind of where I take inspiration from my 350Z build, that sort of max power, hot import nights, Fast and Furious, Need for Speed sort of thing. The sort of stuff that I absolutely obsessed over growing up. And this weekend we're going to my favourite show on the calendar. We're going to the Max Power Reunion Show 2024. So like I said at the start of the video, that is by far and away my favourite show on the calendar. It's nostalgic, it's loud, it's full of absolutely crazy modified cars, you know, power to the max, that's the whole point of it. You know, old school drum and bass vibes, it's the coolest thing. If you haven't been, I urge you to go. It is an amazing show and it's proper nostalgic. Sadly guys, that brings us to the end of the video. And to be honest with you, this is how my 350Z is now. I want to do more to it. And if there's stuff that you guys think I should do to it, leave it in the comments below. I'd love to hear. I'm thinking about doing some more interior stuff, possibly something with the bonnet. I mean, if I had the money, I'd get it resprayed a sort of really nice candy red colour, but obviously it's all money constraints. Guys, if you went to the show, don't forget to like the video, tell me what your thoughts and feelings were. If you have a car yourself, you know, I'd love to photograph it, video, put it on the channel, whatever. So get in contact, don't hesitate to get in contact. Also guys, we're really close to 2,000 subscribers now. We're only about 50 subscribers away. So if you want to hit that subscribe button, it really means a lot to me. I'd love to reach that milestone 2,000 and we can sort of get to that next milestone, 10,000 subscribers. Don't forget to like the video guys. If you've enjoyed it as much as I have, leave a comment. I want to hear your thoughts and I will see you in my next video. Keep enjoying those modified cars.